Hi everyone, so we are out for a walk in France. Just a short one today. I'm going to find a few geocaches and we're going to do an adventure lab. And this is the location we're at. So I'll just swing the camera around. So this is the site, and if you are visiting here, it does have toilets. Oh, there's a beautiful dragonfly. Look at that. Did you? Oh, it's got all the way. How cool was that? Okay, so we're heading down towards the chateau entrance. So, like I said, we're going to do a few geocaches and a venture lab here. From 1793 to 1796, there was a counter-revolution here in the Vendee. And this chateau and the grounds is famous because this was the place where General Charette of the Vendee resistance was captured. And you'll see this in paintings and drawings around the grounds. Look at me, Jazz. Oh, it is a real well as well. Beautiful little garden. Oh, it smells gorgeous in here. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing. Pointing out, this is the entrance here to the chateau, and you've got the old bell, ours, and it's still there. Beautiful place.
What can you see to the left of the entrance between the two windows?
And then we have another well, a real one. If you wonder why I'm always surprised I'm saying real ones, because a lot of wells in these sort of places are fake, but not so much in France. Look at all the old real tools in here. Okay, so we're not going to walk the chateau, but I am going to show you the prices, so you know if you ever come here and you want to check it out yourself. So unfortunately, due to limited time today, we've not got time to do the chateau. But as you can see, it's a beautiful place and we are going to walk the grounds. And if you're travelling south, so if you're going to Sables-Olon in the Vendee, or you're heading down to Bordeaux, not a bad place to stop off. There's a restaurant here, toilets. Some lovely flowers, smell them and all. Oh, they smell gorgeous. Oh, I smell them. Restaurant. Yeah. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So you can't get in. I think if you've got a pass, you can get into the gardens.
Yeah.
So just to point out, this is the chapel section there, I do believe, and there's the cross above. If you see the cross, and it's the stone rose window. And we are doing a adventure lab. I think I've already mentioned that. Obviously it's all in French. But yeah, look at the architecture of it, with the tower at the end. It's like a fairy tale tower.
Garden with a piece of artillery. What is it called?
Cannon. Another cannon.
That's the same. That's a bit thing to it, though. It's a very beautiful garden. There's a very beautiful piece of artillery. What is it? It's cannon.
Only one N. C-A-N-O-N.
So yeah, beautiful, beautiful place. Cannon we're on now, and then you've got the beautiful gardens in the background, as you can see. Try and tilt it so you can see. Absolutely beautiful. Got a lovely apple tree here. Whoa. The apples are just so soft. So we're not quite sure what this is. It's kind of some sort of sensory thing, I think. Weird storytelling. It was talking, but it stopped now. And we've just found a maze that the kids have just done. Did you get to the middle of it? Who was first? Oh, I might know. Might know you'd have been first. More history from the Neapolitan walks. Guess it is. Beautiful bit, place. There's lots of land here. I know I keep saying it, but it's true. So we've completed 2 ad lab stages so far. 3. Apologies. We've completed 3 ad lab stages so far. So we've got 2 more to do. I believe there's a bonus and a couple of physical geocaches in the area. We have our first geocache in France in a little wooded area, and the logbook is absolutely soaked. What was 5 in French? Cinq. Si, sept, huit, neuf, dix. I can count to 10. Another really cool bit of artwork here depicting a fight. Looks like a medic. Okay, now we've come up to a cross. A memorial from 1911. Arige. The 6th of, is that August or October? 1911. Charette de la Country, 23rd of March, 1796. Okay, so we have another piece of artwork, and that's obviously where they've captured the chap. And looks like they killed the medic or the priest. We can't actually. This is the final ad lab stage here, and we can't get the answer. We can't figure it out because it's in French. The translation we're struggling a little bit with. So I've messaged the CO, and we'll see how we go from there. Beautiful art here though. Beautiful French countryside. So the next bit of artwork depicts the soldiers taking him back, or taking him somewhere. I'll show you where we are. So we're walking in the grounds of the chateau. So I hope you're enjoying this walk. Please remember, everyone, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. That'd be absolutely awesome. And then we have number 9. That's where they've taken him back to the chateau. And then we've done circular walk, and now we're back in the chateau grounds. Very short, pleasant circuit. Perfect opportunity to get a nice photo from the centre here.
So this is the Chabotterie Patisserie, Audrey and Benjamin's. Have a quick look at the menu. Set menus 52, 85, 115. And it's some kind of trophy winner. Oh, it's a Michelin star. Michelin star restaurant. Wow, you don't see many Michelin star restaurants, that's for sure. Absolutely amazing to see that. I mean, they've got their own herb garden there, which is huge, as you've just seen. Showed you at the beginning of this walk around. So yeah, beautiful place. If you just want to come walk around the grounds, totally free. You've only got to pay to get into the chateau. So we're going to try and do the bonus to this adventure lab now before making our way back to the car. There's somebody playing violin over there.
Not too far.
Jasmine's found it, the cache in the tree. Well done, Jasmine. So that's it, everyone. We've done. Enjoyed this walk today. Only a short one. Beautiful place to stop though. We'll be heading south. So now we're just eating a little pie. And then we will continue to our next destination. So thank you very much and see you again soon. Bye.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please remember to subscribe to the channel to keep updated with more videos, and also check out our Facebook and Instagram page. And while you're here, click on the playlist for more from France. Bye.